Hi people, welcome back to another Cubicraft video. Today what we're going to do is that we're going to build trailers. So we're going to build a fire trailer, put on the back a fire truck, and a police one, as it says there. Now, as I mentioned in the announcement in the Cuba News, I am uploading or making a website, which is cool. But yeah, enjoy the video. To make this trailer more understandable of how to build it, we're going to split it into three parts. The wheel part, the front part, and the accessories part. So, first off, we're going to build this part here. So, this video is going to be nice and quick. You can build this really whenever. It's a fun build you can do. So what you want to do, what you want to get is you want to get a 2x6 flat piece, a 1x6 flat piece, 2 wheels, like that, and then have that part on the end, 2x6 brick, 2 1x6 bricks, 2 1x2 bricks, 1 1x4 flat piece, 1 4x6 flat piece, 1 1x4 tile, 1 2x6 flat piece, 1 1x4 flat piece, brick, one of these which is 1x4 brick that's got those sides, and you want 2 of these parts which are like hold the wheels in. So what you want to do is you want to get this piece here and this piece here, your 2x4 and the flat piece and the 4x6 flat piece. You want to stick that on the back. So that is your back now, that part there. What you want to do is flip it upside down and put the wheels on, like that. Yay. And then what you want to do, you're going to get these parts here and put them on like that. Then we get your 2x1 bricks and put them in. You can replace this one for a 2x2 brick if you want. So it should look like this now. Now what you want to do is you get 1x4 brick and this bit here. Oh, now you want to get 1x4 brick and this piece here. You want to put it on the back. So you remember the back by the extended stud you've got. So it should look like this now, with that slightly higher than the thing. You're going to get this tile and put that on the back, like that. Then you want to get this piece, your 2x6 flat piece, and put that there. Cool. Now you want to cover that top area with these bricks here. So go ahead and do that. Like that. Then you want to get the remaining 2 pieces and stick them on the back. Like this. So this is the first stage of building your trailer for the fire truck. The next part is a lot easier. We don't have as many bricks. What we're going to need is 2 slope pieces, like this. 2 1x8 bricks. 2 1x6 bricks. A cupola with a ball on it, and like that shape. A 4x10 flat piece. 2x2 round piece. And a 2x4 flat piece. Easy. What we're going to do is we're going to get your 4x10 flat piece and your bricks like here, your 2x8s, your 1x8 and your 1x6s, and choose a side to be your front, choose a side to be your back. So that's the back here, and layer them on top of each other so the back side is nice and straight. It should look like this. Now get your slope pieces and stick them on like that. It should be this shape. And then what you want to do, you get the remaining pieces, put this upside down, put this here, like that. Get your circular piece and put it behind it, then put that piece on top. That is the second part of your thing done. So this is one of the final parts we're going to do, and this is the hoses. So what you'll need is 5 2x2 round bricks, 3 water things. If you do not have these, you can just use you can use other things to replace, like light blue water studs or something. 4 1x1 brick circular bricks. One of these, which is a 2x1 that's got one stud in the middle like that. You need one of these, which has got a stud there, one of something like that. You'll need 2 of these with those a stud on the end, and then that shape under there. 2 of those. You'll need one of these where you can connect them like that. You'll need one of these, which is 2 of those. You need 2 of the things I just mentioned. You'll need 2 of these. 1 of those. 1 of these. And 1 of these. So to begin with your hoses, we're going to need, you'll need 1 of these. 1 of these parts. 1 of these. 1 of these. 1 of these. And a water thing. So what you want to do is you want to put these parts, this part here is 1 hose. So what you want to do is you want to get your piece that looks like this, and your piece that looks like that, and stick them together. What you want to do is you want to get this piece here and this piece here, and stick those together, then stick it in here. So this is your that is part of your hose. What you want to do, you want to get this piece here and stick it on like that, and then get your water spout, and then you've got 1 hose. So you want to do this one twice, so you should have 2 of these when you've got it. As you can see here, it takes a little while to do, not too long. So there you go, you got 2 hoses. Now the rest of the pieces, we're going to put those to the side. I'm going to get the big hose. Make the big hose. So what you're going to do, you're going to get this, you want to start with this piece here. This piece, and this piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect them together. I'm sure you can figure it out how to do it, but by the end it should look like this. Now what you want to do is that you want to stack you want to get all your 2x2 round pieces and this piece here, and stick them on top of each other. I prefer doing, you can do any pattern you want, doesn't matter what color you're doing, what color. I'm just doing cool things here right now. And this has to be at the top, that one there. So it should look like this. What you want to do, you want to get your 2 1x1 round pieces and stick them on top on that piece. You get your water sprayer, put that on top. And you're going to get your final piece, this one here. And this, you stick that in the middle like this. This will be your turning mechanism. You can find alternatives, but I like using this one. And then what you do, you stick that on, and that is your last hose. But to finish this off, what you're going to need is you're going to need the first step, second step, the hoses, and 2 of these parts here. What you do, you're going to get your first 2 steps, this one, and you're going to stick it together like that. Then you get these 2 parts here, and you're going to stick them on so that the smooth part faces well, the smooth part on the edge. So what it should look like is it should look like this. Now what you do, you want to get your two little hoses and put them on the side like that. And get your big hose and just put it right there like so. There you go. You've built a cool fire thing. You can move this up and down, twist it, these move up and down. You can build turning mechanism for the smaller ones, but I haven't done so. But the possibilities are endless of what you want to do. This is just a basic example of what to do. And yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy playing with the fire thing. Make sure to check out my other videos. Where I built the train, the helicopter, this boat, and the blackbird. And in the next video we're going to be learning how to build this thing, which is a police one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Look at my Cuba News site, well, episode 1. Got some announcements on there, and thanks for watching. Bye.